How to read your car accident report. When looking at a car accident report, it will vary a bit depending on the police department and the reporting agency, whether it's a different city or a different state. But in Indiana, what we're looking at are who the drivers are that are involved in the car accident, what the primary factor was for the car accident, and what the narrative was. So in the primary factor, you might find something like failure to yield a right-of-way. That's a thing we have in a lot of our cases, and it will kind of sometimes in parentheses have which unit did that. And you'll want to make sure in the drivers that you are not numbered as that unit to be considered not at fault. And then what you might be able to look at is the narrative on the bottom of the first page that will walk you through what happened, how it happened, at least from the police officer's investigative report. On the second page, you'll find information about each unit driver. They identify as Unit 1, Unit 2, etc., depending on how many drivers were in the case. And then on page 3, you'll have information on injury status of the accident, what kind of property damage there might have been, and what the factors were for fault on each unit. And then finally, what we'll look closely at as well is the diagram the police officer will make for the car accident, showing what cars were where and how they believe it happened. Those are the basics as to how to look at a car accident report. And if you'd like to have a law firm look in more detail and try to build a case for you, please reach out to us.